Bellwork 16a. The graph shows the speed of a car over a period of time. Describe the function represented by the graph. There's actually a lot of writing to this problem, and I'm going to be giving you all of that information in a moment. I want you to look at the graph and let's discuss the graph before I give you that information for you to write down. Now, if we were in class, this would be a whole lot easier. You could answer questions and stuff, so this is much more difficult not being in class and teaching you right in front of you so we could walk through it together, but I'll kind of give you an idea of what's going on. So it's a nonlinear function because it's not one continuous straight line. So it's nonlinear, and the car starts at 0, hasn't left yet, and its speed is 0. And it's a nonlinear function. Shows the car increasing its speed to 35 miles per hour and maintaining that speed for 5 minutes. So it increases to 35 miles per hour and then maintains that speed for 5 minutes. Then the car increases its speed to 60 miles per hour and maintains that speed for 10 minutes. So it goes up to 60 miles per hour and maintains that speed for 10 minutes. Next, the car decreases its speed to 35 miles per hour and maintains that speed until it comes to a quick stop. So it decreases its speed to 35 miles per hour, maintains that speed until it comes to a quick stop. So down here would be the quick stop. After the quick stop, the car increases its speed to 35 miles per hour and maintains that speed for 5 minutes. So that's what that information would be. The car then increases its speed again to 70 miles per hour and maintains that speed for 20 minutes. So it increases to 70 miles per hour and then maintains that speed for 20 minutes. Next, the car slows to 40 miles per hour and maintains that speed until it comes to a stop after 15 minutes. So it's at 70 miles per hour, it slows down to 40 miles per hour, maintains that speed until it comes to a quick stop after 15 minutes. So, what are you going to be writing? This is what you're going to be writing. The nonlinear function shows the car increasing its speed to 35 miles per hour and maintaining that speed for 5 minutes. Then the car increases its speed to 60 miles per hour and maintains that speed for 10 minutes. Next, the car slows, decreases its speed to 35 miles per hour and maintains that speed until it comes to a quick stop after 5 minutes. After the quick stop, the car increases its speed to 35 miles per hour and maintains that speed for 5 minutes. The car then increases its speed again to 70 miles per hour and maintains that speed for 20 minutes. Next, the car slows to 40 miles per hour and maintains that speed until it comes to a stop after 15 minutes. Now, you could pause the video and get all of this written down, or if you want to keep going, then in Schoology, I have in lesson 16, the front of this uploaded to Schoology that you could go in there and you could just copy it off of that. Please, this is going to be worth 2 points. 2 points for you just to copy this down correctly. Okay, so please be careful. Try not to miss any sentences. Don't miss any words. Take your time and write this all down. Okay, the next part of Bellwork 16a says, draw a graph of the function that represents the time and distance Zane was away from home. This problem is exactly like example number 6 in the notes. Again, you're going to want to look at example 6 in the notes. It's worth 3 points. 1 point is to label this axis, 1 point is to label this axis, and then the other point is to graph it. If you want to know how to label the axis, again, look at example 6 in the notes. So go to your lesson 16 notes and look at example 6, and you will know how to label the axes, because it's just like the problem with Ryland's bicycle. So Zane rode his bicycle 3 miles to get from his house to Sheets. It took him 15 minutes to get there. He stayed at Sheets for 5 minutes. Then Zane rode to his friend's house. It took 5 minutes to get to his friend's house, which is 1 mile farther away from his home. He stayed at his friend's house for 15 minutes before riding home. Zane's ride home took 20 minutes. Okay, so let's highlight the important information. So he rode 3 miles, and it took him 15 minutes to ride those 3 miles. And that's to get to Sheets. He stayed at Sheets, so that's constant, for 5 minutes. Remember, when it's stayed, it's constant, which means it's going to be flat. Then he rode to his friend's house. It took 5 minutes to go 1 mile farther. That's the key word there, 1 mile farther. So he was already 3 miles away. Now he's going 1 mile farther. He stayed at his friend's house. So again, stayed is the key word there for 15 minutes. And then last, he rode home, and it took him 20 minutes to get there. So, just like the notes, I cheated. There's your information. Go ahead and label your axes and draw your graph. When you're done doing so, remember, don't forget to fill out the top part of this. Once you're done with this problem, you could submit it to Schoology. And this is Bellwork 16A. If you have any questions, let me know.